Why are seven-figure business owners are creating smaller YouTube channels on purpose? Because they have realized something which most of us haven't, which is you don't need millions of views to convert your YouTube channel into your number one client acquisition machine. You just need the correct system, the correct type of audience. So in this video, I'm going to show you how creators like Ed Lawrence and Charlie Morgan are using this lean strategic content, which is helping them land high ticket leads without chasing viral trends. Now, before we dive in, let's be clear about who this is for. This isn't for people who are trying to be YouTubers. This is for business owners who know how to make money. They have something valuable to sell, but they're frustrated because YouTube feels like this overwhelming mystery. You have probably tried following every YouTube guru, obsessing over titles and thumbnails, posting for months consistently with zero results, or obsessing over vanity metrics like your subscriber count, but none of it moved the needle on your actual business. Here's why. Most YouTube advice treats you like you are trying to be the next Mr. Beast, but you are not trying to do that. You are trying to sell something. You don't need millions of views. You need the right views from the right people who can afford what you are selling. And I learned this the hard way. I made multiple YouTube channels since 2020 and failed in all kinds of way possible. So I have tried all the growth hacks, all the algorithm hacks, the secret settings that can change your channel, but none of it worked. And then I started working with creators and I could see the back end of their system. I found out that the creators who were at 1-2 million subs, they were not making real money. My clients who were making real money were those who understood YouTube is their number one client acquisition system, not a popularity contest. Let me show you what I mean. Alex has about 3.5 million subs and his videos on an average get like 100 to 200 views on an average, like 130-140k views on an average. And this is not viral by YouTube standards, but this man has built a $100 million portfolio using YouTube. How? Because every single video he makes is designed to do one thing: attract business owners, help them scaling their companies. Like, look at this. Business is now on easy mode in 2025. 14 years of marketing advice in 35 minutes. How to get anyone to do anything you want. This is Persuasion 101. Then build your business like Harvard. Business is hard until you do this. Now, let's look at Ed Lawrence. Ed is not trying to entertain teenagers. Every video targets YouTube entrepreneurs, people building serious businesses. His average viewer is probably worth 10x more than most YouTubers with way more views. And this is exactly what most people get wrong. They think YouTube success equals viral videos. But for business owners, YouTube success equals qualified leads. And that's exactly what I help my clients achieve. I have worked with guitar teachers, I have worked with health coaches and speaking coaches, you name it. So let me break down the actual framework that works for business owners. First, forget everything about niching down. You are a business owner. Your ideal customer or your ideal client is your niche. That's specific enough. Second, your content strategy should follow 3-layer authority system. Layer 1, prove you know what you are talking about. This is where most people stop. They make educational content showing their expertise, and that's not enough. Layer 2, prove you can get results. This is where you share case studies, client wins, behind the scenes of your process. This separates you from other theorists. And layer 3, prove you're worth the investment. This is where you demonstrate the level of thinking and execution that justifies your premium prices. Let me give you a real example. Instead of making a video how to get more guitar students, you can make something like, I helped John to go from 5 students to a 6-month wait list in just 90 days. Case study. And then in that video, don't just share tips. You share the thinking behind the strategy, the psychology of why it works, the nuances that separates good execution from great execution. And this is what Alex Hormozi does in every video. He's not just sharing business tips. He's demonstrating multi-million-dollar level thinking for free. So when he offers his paid programs, people know that the value is in there. So here's what actually works. First, your content needs to do these 3 things. 1, attract the right people. 2, repel the wrong people. And 3, build trust among potential buyers. Your video should make your ideal clients think, this person gets me, and it should make everyone else think, this isn't for me. That's not a bug, that's a feature. Second, every video should demonstrate your level of thinking. Anyone can share tips. What people pay for is the perspective. How do you see a problem? How do you connect dots which others miss? How do you get results which others can't? Third, your YouTube strategy needs to connect to your business model. If you are selling high ticket services, then you don't need millions of views or subscribers. You need a system that consistently puts your qualified prospects in front of your offer. And that system has 3 parts. Part 1, educational content that showcases your expertise. Part 2, result focused content that proves that you get results. And part 3, authority content that justifies your premium pricing. When you nail all 3, YouTube becomes your 24/7 sales rep, pre-qualifying and warming up leads before they ever talk to you. Like, take this video for example, revealing Black Friday secrets to use in your business. The title immediately tell you that the video is for business owners who run Black Friday campaigns, aka every business owner on earth. And throughout the video, he's displaying the level of strategic thinking that justifies his consulting fees. He is not sharing a tip, he is showcasing a $1 million level business philosophy. Or look at this video from Ed Lawrence. Copy this video style, it will blow up your business. Again, super specific audience, and he says anti-edit on the thumbnail, which is again a contrarian viewpoint. And the content level demonstrates why people are eager to pay him thousands for his coaching. And this is what your content should do. It should not just educate, it should demonstrate the value at the level you charge for it. And look, I get it, this might feel different from the advice that you have got so far, but most people are just teaching you to chase views. But if you're a serious business owner, you don't have time for this vanity metrics. You need a system that will actually move the needle on your revenue. And that's exactly what we help our clients with. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but where do I actually start? And that's the exact reason I built the free YouTube Clarity course. It is a 5-day email course where I break down each and everything that I have learned by working business owners to grow on YouTube and to turn it into a highest converting lead generation system. And this is something which my clients pay me for, and I am giving out the foundation for free. Why? Because I want more and more people to overcome this YouTube overwhelm and start, taking their business online and start using YouTube and just stop ignoring it because it's difficult or they don't know where to go. I want to help them who want to grow a YouTube channel, but they can't start it because they're too overwhelmed or too in their head. And once you see how this actually works, you'll understand the difference between a amateur YouTuber strategy and professional grade strategy. And if you are someone who understands the value of YouTube strategy and you want to grow on YouTube, you want to grow your business on YouTube, but you don't know how or you are confused, you can totally book a free call with me. I will try to help you as much as I can in the all so that you can gain a bit of clarity and overcome most of your problems. If you're anyone who wants to grow on YouTube, regardless if you are on the fence of starting a business or you already have a business, you can grab this course and you can see if YouTube will be good for you. I know it will be good for you, but my strategies will help you start at a better pace, at a better place. And honestly, you can just keep following your generic YouTube advice and you can chase views, but that generally don't take you anywhere. Now, one of the prime fears I have seen business owners have is, what if my channel gets banned? Your channel can totally get banned, but your email list won't. That's why you need to grow your email list. And I have something which is a killer lead magnet for you. You can check that out in this video.